Now we have the rubber folded under the press and we are going to press it. No explosions this time. And then the rubber ball. And then the lead ball, which is going to be quite flat after this. Yeah. Lead pen pancake. Very flat. Yeah. Next one, ball bearing. I think I maybe should have hardened tools for this one, but let's try with these tools and see what happens. What the fuck? That is one hard ball. I think we are going to make this one again with new tools. So I was right on my thoughts about those hardened tools, because the ball is just fine. There is nothing wrong with this, but I have these slots for this ball in my pressing tools. So I am going to repair these for future pressings and make new tools that are hardened to be able to crush this bearing ball and other hard targets. I think that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.